to be honest, using this product made my hair grow too fast.
What is up, YouTube? What's good? It's razzaq here, and I'm back with another one. As you guys can see, your boy is back in the cribbo. I'm moving into my new apartment on Tuesday, so y'all probably gonna get a little moving vlog or something.
If y'all interested in it, if you want to move in vlog, go ahead and comment down below.
But in this video, I'm gonna be giving y'all some growth tips that will make your dreads grow faster. No question about it. This is not clickbait, zero clickbait, bro. Y'all know I don't clickbait. I've asked around, asked a bunch of dreadlock YouTubers, asked a bunch of people with dreads what they do to make their hair grow fast. So this is coming from a lot of other sources other than just me. So in this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys the tips, the gems, the secret sauce on how to make your dreads grow faster. And that's coming up right after the intro.
One day, I'ma have it one day. And I'm just tryna count up the cake, just tryna scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas stay in your place, yeah. Me and my niggas don't play. You hate on my drip every day, but I'm still gonna make a way, yeah.
First of all, we'll start today off by telling you, it is Rolex time.
Alright, you guys, so as y'all know, you feel me, we gonna have to start off by just thanking you guys so much. You guys got me to 1,000 followers on Instagram, and as y'all know, I told y'all there's gonna be a giveaway whenever we hit 1,000 followers on IG. Details for that giveaway will be coming in the next video, so if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you're subbed so that you can catch the next video and be sure to answer. Without any further ado though, we're gonna get right into this video. I got a list of things written down so that we can just get straight into the points. The first thing that will help your hair grow faster, guaranteed 100%, is biotin. Now, I'm gonna give you a disclaimer. I actually used to use biotin at the beginning of my dreadlock journey, and it worked phenomenally. I'll tell you the truth, it will make your hair grow. Not just on your head, it'll make all your hair grow, like super fast, if you know what I'm saying. So you might want to be shaving. Personally, biotin made me break out. And if you know me, y'all know that I pride myself on having beautifully clear skin. Make sure y'all check out the last video. I'll be honest, back when I was using biotin, I wasn't taking as good of care of my skin. So that could have been the reason why, but I'm just gonna give you a warning right now that biotin can make you break out if you're not taking good enough care of your hair. Just make sure you're taking care of your skin if you hop on the biotin. Biotin will for sure make your hair grow faster, to make your nails grow faster. It just works. Biotin is a vitamin. You can be found naturally, but they have supplements of it. You can get it at Walmart. I also have a link in the description, so if you want to pick up some biotin, make sure you head to the description and I got you, just for, you know, ease of access. The next thing that will for sure make your hair grow fast is cold water rinses. I don't know if I've talked about this a lot on my channel, but I really should. I do a lot of cold water rinses. Cold water rinses are essential. Technically and scientifically, there's no proof that cold water makes your hair grow faster. But I'm telling you from my personal experience that me using cold water rinses has really helped my hair grow fast. Now, I wash my hair with warm water, make sure I get all the, you know, the gunk, the buildup, anything, all the oil out my hair. But whenever I'm rinsing out the shampoo, I make sure to use cold water. Cold water helps you lock in moisture. When you lock in moisture, your hair grows faster. Moisturized hair grows faster. Remember that. So the cold water will help lock in that moisture, and in return, your hair will grow faster. Take it from me. If you don't believe me, try it out for a couple months, and I guarantee you will see some real results. Cold water rinses, guys, trust me. The next thing we got is something that's actually not from me. I've never done this before. I've never tried it, but I've been told by a bunch of people that rice water will really help your hair grow. I'm not really good on the statistics. I don't know what it's for, what it does, but I've seen a lot of videos talking about results of rice water, how it helped them, how it got their hair growing fast. And I will link in the description some videos to help you make rice water, the benefits of rice water, and I might even end up making myself some rice water and trying it out so I can really give y'all my personal review of it. But make sure you guys go ahead and make yourself some rice water. Rice water will help your hair grow faster. This isn't from me, this is from the other sources that I've asked. So make sure that you cop yourself some rice water, or make it yourself. It's all up to you. The next thing is something that I preach to y'all constantly on my channel. So if you guys have been subbed for a while, you already know what I'm about to say next. The next thing that will make your hair grow faster, guaranteed, is Wild Grow Light Oil. I got the link to it in the description, so if you want to cop some, make sure you cop some. But I'll tell you from personal experience that Wild Grow Light Oil is some of the, if not the best oil that I've ever used on my hair. It makes my hair moist, it keeps the moisture in, it has a pretty unique smell too. I don't know if you'll like it, but I love it. From my own personal experience, Wild Grow Light Oil made my hair grow super. Like honestly, it made my hair grow too fast, to be honest. Using this product made my hair grow too fast. I started using Wild Grow Light Oil about 3 months into my journey, and my hair just started taking off from there. I actually ran out, so I don't know. I'm finna get some more, but I'm telling you, be careful using this, because your hair is gonna grow faster than you expected it to ever grow before. Link in the description. The last thing that I'm going to recommend to you guys is to make sure that you are stimulating your scalp. And in order to stimulate your scalp, all you gotta do is, mess with your scalp a little bit, massage it, give yourself retwists. This is why whenever you do braids, whenever you do 2-strand twists, whenever you do styles on your hair grows faster, because your scalp is being pulled and manipulated and stimulated. But if you're not interested in styles and doing all that, you can also just make sure you give your scalp a nice massage daily. I feel like would be a good recommendation. Your scalp needs to be stimulated for your hair to grow. It helps a lot, and you'll notice the difference between if you never touch your hair versus if you're constantly stimulating your scalp. Stimulation is the key to hair growth. Make sure you guys are massaging your scalps. I don't know what else to tell you, man. Stimulation, stimulation, stimulation. Alright, you guys, and that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was real fast, real quick, like I told y'all. This might not even hit 8 minutes, so I might not even have any ads in the middle of it. If you guys want to support me, make sure you not only follow me on my social media, but if you got a little extra pocket change, go ahead and follow your boy on Patreon. Link in the description as always. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. It helps me out way more than you know, and it kind of just, you feel me? It keeps me motivated to keep pushing these videos out to y'all. I know I haven't posted in a while, but y'all see I'm back at it, bro. It's the end of the video, so I can talk a little bit more, you feel me? Thanks to y'all, I was able to get this computer set up, you feel me? A beautiful computer set up, thanks to y'all. This is all funded by y'all, bro. I promise you. You feel me? I'm speechless. Thank you guys so much for everything you've done for me. That's the end of this video. I don't want to keep y'all here for too much longer. But if you enjoyed this one, make sure you like, comment, sub, and y'all boys take it easy.